get the airplane fueled up and be off to go back to Midway. So welcome aboard. Also, I gotta throw in the uniform. Our flight plan for the day. You can see we're going to be taking off out of Boeing Field there in Seattle, Washington, headed to Midway, Chicago Airport, and we'll be departing off of here and climbing via the Cabane 1 RNAV departure off of 32 left today. Hopefully you enjoy this flight. Should be a good one. Really beautiful scenery out of here.
Galaxy 929er Whiskey Charlie, thanks for your patience. Runway 32 left Alpha 11, taxi via Alpha.
Alright, 32 left Alpha 11 via Alpha 9 Whiskey Charlie.
Crystal 577 November Delta, Boeing ground, runway 32 right, taxi via Alpha. Squawk's going to be 0366.
And then you're just going to watch this side here?
I am.
Roger that.
32 right via Alpha, squawk 3066. Cessna. 0366 for 577 November Delta.
There we go.
Thank you.
32 via left turn, sir. On Alpha all the way down to Alpha 11.
Approaching 32 left.
That was nice of that gentleman to come out there and check my left wing like that.
It was. Alright, ready for taxi checks?
Affirmative.
Okay, anti-collision is upper
Sorry,
lower.
561 Charlie 5
Taxi light is on.
clear. Cleared Grangeville County Airport
on.
via
Number 1.
Cobain 1
Parking
departure.
appropriate code
Then is filed.
6656.
Climb
Wheel
via
brakes.
SID.
Wheel brakes are
Seattle
checked.
departure frequency 120.4.
Trend, where were we? Nose wheel steering.
Nose wheel steering is checked.
DI systems. 48 seconds.
Flight 500 Delta Whiskey, Modern
get
Aviation,
that way.
taxi,
No
we're
messages.
via Park northbound.
Roger, that
off.
checks.
Flight 500 November Delta, Boeing
bias.
ground. Follows
Rudder
down
bias.
citation, runway 32 left Alpha 11, taxi via Alpha. It'll save you
Got a
on wing
good
service.
kick on the
32
left.
left, Alpha 11, it's 500
Good kick
Delta
on the right.
Whiskey, caution wake.
Rudder bias is
Delta
good.
Whiskey, sorry about
Thrust
that, sir.
reversers.
Thrust reversers, we're on both.
Yep.
Here we go. I see 2 deployed. Looks good. And bringing them back up. 2 stowed.
See it. APU's coming offline now. We're on both on the ECS selector, cabin AC masters as required, and a batch check when you get a
Batch check. We have flaps 20 set, 20 indicating with
Takeoff,
lots of
wind
cruisers down.
Fire departure approved, safe for takeoff.
Flight air brake is retract, ground air brake is off. Terms are set. Speeds are posted.
Alright, sounds good. Closing the APU door.
To the 60, pop follow traffic on upwind there, green light departure, runway 32 right, clear takeoff. So your departure approved. Galaxy 9 Whiskey Charlie, runway 32 left, Alpha 11 line up and wait, traffic departing downfield, Cessna via right turn out.
Okay, line up and wait. Runway 32 left, Alpha 11, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
I heard line up and wait. Check the bottoms again. Bottoms are free.
Tops are free.
It's line up and wait.
Approaching
Yes.
32
Clear on the
left.
Gust locks in.
65 Whiskey begin.
Flight controls were checked on the tops.
Turn for the green light departure, change the
Rear lights are set, APR, ECS selections on both.
Cannot
High flow
confirm
air is
right now.
off.
I need another
APR is
couple hundred
armed with
feet.
light on.
And I'll call you on
UIs
that
as required, off.
Right.
Incorrect runway, this is 32 left on the paint. That lines up with the compass heading.
That's the 306.
On runway
Heading
32 left.
32 right, clip for takeoff. On the go, say your direction of flight. Galaxy 9 Whiskey Charlie, runway 32 left, Alpha 11, clip for takeoff. Traffic departing tail, runway Cessna will be your right turn out.
3-2 left, Alpha 11, clear for takeoff. 9 Whiskey Charlie.
Alright, we're cleared to go. Your tops.
I had the tops.
Thrust this set.
6 Whiskey, Roger, thank you.
2 green engines. Airspeed's now live.
That's fine, thank you. Pretty patient.
80 knots.
Roger, I got the top.
Your tops.
Tower citation by 6.5 Foxtrot, hold short, 3-2 left, ready departure. Does the 6 Papa
V1.
Still be departure.
Rotate.
And a stay on board tower, citation 561 Charlie Foxtrot. Firm hold short, ready departure.
Positive rate, you got parallel traffic.
Roger, gear up.
Current position, waiting IFR release.
Inside.
Hold short, 1 Charlie Fox.
Got it, you want
Galaxy 9 Whiskey Charlie, contact set departure, have a safe flight.
Over departure, 9 Whiskey Charlie, take care. 400.
Flaps 0.
Flaps at 0. See departure, Galaxy 929 Whiskey Charlie, climbing via Seabane 1 for 2100.
Number 929 Whiskey Charlie, set a departure, radar contact, say altitude leaving.
Through 1000, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
Number 9 Whiskey Charlie, Roger, climb and maintain 6,000.
Up to 6000, 9 Whiskey Charlie. 6000,
3230,
LNAV's
proceed
on.
direct Sumo.
Roger, clean wing.
Clean wing is available, there it
I
goes.
see 6,000.
Skyway 3230, proceed
And we're
direct
already
Sumo.
up to 6,000. We made that kabang at 1,600 and continuing on the departure.
Yep. Check speed.
Looks good.
Got a clean wing.
Roger.
Number 9 Whiskey Charlie, climb and maintain 9,000, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction, 13,000, descending to 10,000, a citation.
Up to 900,000, looking for traffic, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
Skywest 3230, contact Seattle Center 126.6. Number 2291
Outside
Hotel,
Air
proceed
Temps
direct to Olympia VOR.
Direct Olympia, VOR, Cherokee 2291
Checks.
Hotel, thanks.
Horizon Air 2022, contact Seattle Center 126.6.
Outside air temps now 10.
Number 9 Whiskey
Checks.
Charlie, turn right heading 010, climb and maintain 15,000.
Right turn 010, I'll up to 15,000, 9 Whiskey Charlie. 15 set, 010
I see
set.
15,000 set. In the right turn, heading 010.
After the Seattle departure citation by 61 Charlie Fox, Charlie through 400 on the Cobain 1 departure. Number 561 Charlie Fox, Roger, I'll have you momentarily. Number 9 Whiskey Charlie, turn right heading 050.
Right turn 050, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
561 Charlie Foxtrot, your radar contact, traffic alert off your right wing, opposite direction, less than half mile, 1,400 indicated, type unknown. 1 Charlie Foxtrot, looking. Number 1 Charlie Foxtrot, your radar contact, a half mile upwind, climb and maintain 5,000, stay altitude leaving. 5,000 out of 1,500 now. Look for 1 horizon, 2179 level, 5,000. Rather 2179, Seattle departure, climb maintain 15,000. Level 15,000, 2179. Number 9 Whiskey Charlie, proceed direct Normie.
Direct Normie, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
Alright, continuing the turn to Normie.
CTAC
Normie's
Alpha,
in.
this became current altimeter
Activate
3009.
and nav.
Number 929 Whiskey Charlie, contact Seattle Center on 127.05.
2705, 9 Whiskey Charlie, see ya. Seattle departure, Galaxy 929, Whiskey Charlie, 13.7, climbing 15,000, direct Normie.
929 Whiskey Charlie, Seattle Center, climb maintain level 370.
370, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
Alright, I see the final altitude of flight level 370 set.
112, Roger, thank you.
Look at those beautiful
Still got that one
mountains
to
out
go
there.
Yeah.
Those views do not get old.
So we got St. Helens,
Yeah.
Rainier, and I believe that's one of those two further on is Hood.
2102, contact Seattle
St.
approach
Helens is on the far right
119.2.
192,
Looks a whole lot different than it did in 1979.
Yeah, I can imagine. I wasn't born then, but I
Yeah.
imagine it's quite the event.
I think it's Adams and then Hood. Yeah, so Adams would be the closer of the two, further along, and then Hood down further south, which you can pretty much is the mountain for Portland.
Oh yeah, I've slid right down along that side there, going into Portland before. And then you're looking north. You're looking north at all those mountains from that viewpoint.
500 for 15,000.
For 561 Charlie Foxtrot, Seattle Center, climb maintain level 290.
290, 1 Charlie Foxtrot.
Some pretty prominent landmarks there. I imagine if you were doing flight instruction out there and teaching your student, you'd be like, hey, you better not get lost. You got some pretty nice landmarks to work off of.
Making the turn here, joining J90.
And shut the belts off.
356 Romeo Victor, Seattle Center, Roger, standby.
That was a fun,
Victor, Roger, 1-1.
fun overnight. Not gonna lie, I enjoyed it. Minus the homeless encampments, there's a lot of beautiful places to see and a lot of neat stuff to do in good old Seattle, Washington. So I can definitely see why people are attracted to go there. It is interesting that the haze that just kind of hangs there though.
Yeah, it's always
Just a touch gloomy.
Seattle gray. It should be a paint color.
It's just amazing the amount of heat and friction and energy that is stored up underneath of the earth. We don't think of what's going on just right underneath of our planet right there. But every once in a while it just sprays off in all of its fury and might in the form of a volcano, and you're just like, where did this come from? You know, you think of like almost the prehistoric people that were living and just having a volcano
133.4
blast off and just think, what in the world just happened?
Well, with that said, I would encourage anybody that
Alaska
has not
1405, Seattle,
studied
Roger.
into what happened in 1980 at St. Helens to have a look,
Yeah.
because it was a pretty massive event. And
Horizon 2259,
affects
Seattle,
more than
Roger.
just that one area around where it happens.
Yeah. Look at these little lakes that are down in the top of this one. Wow. That's got to be a fun place to hike up to. You can see remnants of almost looks like there's a little bit of snow left there, but I don't know if it's cold enough to have kept that. Maybe it's just really light colored sand.
Yeah.
You get the fires out there. Look at those.
They're just
Off the right side. There's several fires going there.
You actually see the TFR to the right of us for that.
Yeah. Oh, it's a big one too.
Yep.
That's not even just the normal. The ones I've been seeing out here are just like small ones. This one's massive.
It's in
Let's
the
see.
William O. Douglas Wilderness area.
6 Lima Foxtrot, descend and maintain 10,000.
It's 30 miles by, at its widest point, almost 30 by 30 mile area. I don't know how many acres that translates to, but that's a lot of acres. A 30 by 30 mile section of land TFR'd up, and then now look, you can see the smoke and the haze sifting off there to the east, coming all from those fires. Well, the scenery is beautiful, but it's all about to go away because we're gonna pop up here in these clouds and haze. Now it can hear your audio, so you can repeat what you just said.
Oh, really? It was off?
Yeah, it was off.
I even did a creative thing.
Yeah.
1974,
Mark,
Mark, what is the landing? Take 2.
Okay, descend maintain 17,000, American 1974.
Oh, jeez.
Center runway 4901.
I really want to get in on this frequency.
160.
Envoy 4091, Chicago.
It's a busy one this evening. Good grief. We're coming in at rush hour.
3000, Envoy 4991.
Southwest 2664, contact Chicago approach, 119.35 tonight.
119.35, Southwest 2664, see ya.
Chicago Galaxy 929, Whiskey Charlie 190.
Galaxy 929, Whiskey Charlie, Chicago Center, descend to maintain 10,000, midway altimeter 3003.
10,000, 03 in the meter, 9 West Charlie.
10,000 said, I see it.
Yep, 03 is the information mic number.
Roger.
Polaris 948, Chicago Center, descend via the ND6 arrival, 4 right transition, midway altimeter 3003.
Roger, descend via ND6 arrival, expect ILR runway 4 right, altimeter 3003, thank you.
Number 929, Whiskey Charlie, clear direct to ND.
Direct to Indy, 9 Whiskey Charlie. There it is, Indy. Ready?
Execute.
Left turn.
Clear on the left. Coming left. I see the city looking pretty.
Number 929, Whiskey Charlie, cross ND at maintain 6,000, 4 right transition.
Indy 6,000, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
Number 929, Whiskey Charlie, contact Chicago approach, 119.35 tonight.
1935, 290 Whiskey Charlie. Unit Chicago, approach Galaxy 929 Whiskey Charlie 7 for 6,000 Indy. We have Mike.
November 929 Whiskey Charlie, Chicago approach. Proceed direct Caden and slip the localizer for runway 4 right, maintain 6,000.
6,000 direct Caden for the localizer, 4 right, 9 Whiskey Charlie. Here's Caden.
Galaxy 9er Whiskey Charlie, you can expect the ILS runway 4 right.
Expecting the ILS 4 right, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
All right, direct Caden, expecting the ILS 4 right as brief.
4,000, Southwest 5622.
And continue down to 6,000.
5622, 20 miles from Caden, cross Caden at 4,000, clear ILS lane 4 right approach, maintain present speed.
Present speed, clear cross Caden at 4,000, clear for the approach 4 right, southwest. 650, 622.
There's the ASL.
Galaxy 929 Whiskey Charlie, to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
All right, I see
Galaxy
4,000
9
set.
Whiskey Charlie, 20 miles from Caden, cross Caden at 4,000, clear ILS line 4 right approach, maintain present speed.
Present speed, cleared ILS 4 right, maintain 4,000, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
All right, 4,000. We're cleared the approach and maintaining our 250.
November 9er Whiskey Charlie, maintain speed 200 or greater.
200 or greater, 9 Whiskey Charlie.
All right, we go ahead and do flaps 12.
Speed check, flap set 12. Localizers moving.
Roger. Flaps 20.
Speed checks, flap set 20.
Pass alive as well. The airport is in sight, runway's in sight.
Down to 20 indicated.
Galaxy 9er Whiskey Charlie, maintain speed 170 or greater until Sitco, contact Midway Tower Sitco 135.2.
170 or greater to Sitco and tower at Sitco, 9 Whiskey Charlie. Alright, I got 170 bug for you.
Roger, gear down.
Speed checks, gear down.
Loc and glide slope bar capture.
3 green, anti-skid good. Hydraulics checked, flaps clear, flaps levers are set down to 20 indicating that. TRs are arm, lights on, parking brake emergency levers off, engine sync switches off. Flight air brakes are retracted, ground air brakes on and armed. Landing gear down 3 green. Anti-skid checked, hydraulics checked, landing flaps to go, autopilot yaw damp to go.
Flaps 40.
Speed checks, flaps 40. Midway Tower Galaxy 929, Whiskey Charlie, Sitco inbound.
Galaxy 929 Whiskey Charlie, Midway Tower 10908, runway 4 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 4 right, 9 Whiskey Charlie. Clear to land.
I see it cleared to land.
Polaris 948 Midway Tower, 10907, runway 4 right, clear to land.
1,000.
Clear to land, runway right.
300 traffic, Sirius 3 miles southeast, and about 2 miles off the lakeshore. Northwestbound to 2,500.
Through.
Got him in sight for 89, I think.
Approaching 04 right.
Check.
F-15, stabilized.
Landing.
One 100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Air brakes are deployed.
Roger. Your tops.
High top.
3,000 remaining.
TRs deployed.
Galaxy 9er Whiskey Charlie, turn right and contact ground.
Right and ground, 9 Whiskey Charlie. We're, looks like there's fireworks out the north end of the departure end.
Yeah, I just saw that go off.
Over 0.65, thanks. Clear right. Ground Galaxy 929 Whiskey Charlie, joining Yankee for Atlantic South.
2929 Whiskey Charlie, midway ground, continue on Papa, cross runway 31 right, hold short of runway 31 center.
Okay, continue on Papa and crossing 31 right, hold short 31 center.
Approaching 31 right.
All right, clear on the left. We are clear to cross 31 right and holding short of 31 center on Papa.
Yeah. Do you want the APU rolling?
We can keep it down.